Hello, here I'm back with an interesting subject. And the question for today is, what do we call a word that imitates the sound it represents? Did you get it? I will make it clear. There are some words in English language which is called onomatopoeia, and it is a fun one. Why? Because it is when a word sounds like the noise it represents. Can you name some onomatopoeic words? Don't think tough, it's a simple one. Okay, examples like buzz, meow, sizzle, splash, and now you got it right. They are words which produce the sound which it represents. Can you comment down more such words? There are a lot more. Just comment down if you know, and let's share the knowledge and expand your vocabs with vocabularies. Thank you.